Dito guys, nakilala ko na siya guys. Yeah. Be careful. Sit down,
City lights on the other side. Here's a little song I wrote. You might want to sing it note for note. Don't worry. Be happy.
Hi guys! Good afternoon! Good afternoon guys. Katatapos ko lang naligo. And then, ngayon lang ako na-start ng vlog. Plano ko, magpunta tayo ng Filipino store. Mag-ano lang ako ng jeans kasi nakapajama pa ako. Change tayo. Kumain kami ng pizza. Yung leftover para before tayo alis. Lumpia wrapper. Kailangan kong bumili ng lumpia wrapper. Kasi I'm going to make lumpia. Nanonood ako kay Benjamin TV. You know Benjamin TV guys. It's Judy's Time's husband. So we're gonna make their recipe. Yung lumpia nila, yung mama ni Judy. Diba? Mahilig sila sa lumpia. At itong belt ko is sobrang tanda na nito. 2012 ko to binili. 12 yeah. Yung umuwi ako ng Pinas. Yung asawa ko is plano pang hindi kontento guys sa mga nilalagay niya sa labas. So ngayon mag-add daw siya. Look. It's crazy. Somebody's crazy. Okay, mag-add daw siya. Ay, nag-add na pala. Oh, wala pala akong chinilas. Ang ginaw. Ang ginaw. Oh my God. Hey, what are you doing? Kaloka. Don't do too much. And ito yung printer. Pinakita ko ba sa inyo kahapon? Ito yung printer na gustong-gusto ko talaga. Pero sa tingin ko nasira siya. And ito siya. Yun. Maliit siya guys. Sobrang ganda nito gamitin guys. Very easy lang. Easy. Yun. Ipatingin yan kay Tami. And yun, aalis ako. Kasi plano ni Tami, magpunta siya doon sa taas, sa second floor, para maglagay daw siya ng light daw sa second floor. Sabi ko, my God, pag mahulog ka, ending na talaga, Ginoo ko. Sabi pa niya, no, I want to put something in there. I said, no, my God, kung anong mangyari talaga sa inyo doon. Kasi gusto talaga niya magpunta doon sa second floor, maglagay ng light. Sabi ko, sa window na lang, para hindi ka na mag-ano doon sa labas, sa roof. Hey. Hey, slow down. Tigas talaga ng ulo nito. Gusto talagang mag-ano. Gusto talaga maglagay ng Christmas. Kaloka ka, Dong. Dong. Kaloka. Tigas ng ulo. Walang anek. Ang ganda ng yard ngayon namin. Pa-winter na gumaganda. Iwan ko na lang talaga itong mga grass dito. Hello guys. Andito na tayo. Malapit na tayo. Unahin ko na lang itong grocery store kaysa Filipino store para diretsahan na tayong pauwi pagkatapos ng Filipino store. So yun. Dito tayo. Ang problema dito ang dami talagang tao. Dito sa Hannaford. Ang daming tao guys. As in. Ang hirap mag-parking kasi ang daming mga lukert-lukert dito. Dito tayo. Sa malayo tayo mag-parking para hindi tayo mahirapan sa kalisod. Kasi mahirapan tayo sa kalisod nito mamaya. So dito tayo. Bakit parang ang daming basag na botelya dito ha? Bakit ha? Bakit naman marami? Ha? Ano nangyari dito guys ha? Hello guys. So ngayon guys, tapos na tayo dito. Alam nyo bang may mga tao talagang hindi parang walang hindi sila nagsuot ng mask. Mga tao ba nga na ganon, hindi sila nagsuot ng mask, andun sa loob, tinitignan lang sila ng mga tao kasi hindi talaga nagsuot ng mask. Nakakaloka. So yun, ang binili ko lang dito pala guys is ano, lasagna para sa dinner, malaki. So yun, pakita ko na lang sa inyo mamaya kung ano yung nabili natin dito. So ngayon, aalis tayo dito na, papunta na tayong Filipino store. Malapit lang dito sa ang Hanaford sa Filipino store. So, which is good. Malapit lang sila.
By his wounds we are healed. By his stripes we're made whole. Jesus is in my.
Ang dami palang tao dito. Parang ang dami-dami naman. Tignan natin. Sige na, let's go na. Hindi ko na kayo dalhin kasi dire-diretso lang tayo. Alam ko naman kung ano yung bibilhin ko eh. So yun. Hi guys, tapos na tayo dito. Dito na siya. Nakilala ko dito. Hi! Hey, no! Ha? Asan ka?
Yan ang sasakyan ko. Sa likod mo.
Oh, akala ko umalis ka na.
Yan, andun sa kabila.
Andun si ano guys, may nakilala pala ako na friend niya ako. Gina, no?
Oh?
Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan mo.
Gina.
Gina, oo. Na-friend ko siya sa Facebook. Hindi mo siya makikita. Andito kasi lang.
Sino yun?
Camera, vlog.
Oh!
Say hi!
Hello!
Shout out sa kapatid mo.
Oh,
Sino yung pangalan ko?
Neri.
Neri daw. Neri, ano? Family name?
Neria Lota.
Neria Lota?
Oo.
Yan. Dito guys, nakilala ko na siya
Oh.
guys. Yeah.
Oh, sige.
Sige! Sino yung asawa mo yan?
Oh, yun ang tawag ko.
Andun. Iba-iba kayong sasakyan?
Oo. Dahil sa trabaho, sa isa kong trabaho.
Ano yan? Anong klase yan?
Hmm?
Anong klase yan? Yung ano mo dala?
Avocado to.
Avocado. Masarap talaga
Sarap.
avocado.
Sarap.
Oo.
Palagi ang kinukuha ko, taro. Pero
Oo.
this time, avocado. Sarap.
Sige, ingat!
Sige, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Anyway guys, so alis na tayo guys. Nakilala natin siya. Andun lang pala siya dito sa ano.
He never slumbers. He never sleeps. He never slumbers. He never tires.
Itong asawa ko talaga. Nandun na sa atop, nandun na sa second floor. Hindi yan basta-basta malagyan ng light. Kaloka talaga. Hindi yan basta-basta malagyan ng light.
Well, those are not Stacey Abrams ballots, and they didn't turn out for this because they believe in socialist America. They don't
Tingnan ko nga. Hi! I'm going out to see Dada. Hello, Dada. You cannot put lights in there, right? Hi! I am home! Andito na tayo, guys. And, ito siya. I-defrost ko lang ito kasi gagawin natin ito mamaya. Ito na lang yumpia. Iba siya. Iba yung ano brand. Indai's Best. And ito, bumili ako ito ulit kasi magluto tayo nito bukas. Luto tayo niyan bukas. Bumili din ako ng Pandi QQ. Pandi QQ. Bumili ako ulit ng Chempurido. Chempurido ng Kilimbiring. And also Argentina corned beef. So calamansi, century tuni, century tuni. And then, guys, of course, meron pa ako ditong isa. Pero nag-add ako ulit isa. Meron pa ako nito isa. Nag-add na naman tayo isa, diba? And yung nabili ko sa regular grocery store, tika muna itong TV, hinaan natin. So, yan. Ito yung nabili ko gulay. Brussels sprout, carrots, salad niya, romaine, and yung panglumpia natin, pork, And also for tonight. Look. For tonight. Tonight, we celebrate my love for you. It's sing. Ubo ako ng ubo. Alam nyo ba? Yung weather is paiba-iba. Maginaw, maging okay na naman. And then, this morning, binigyan ako ni Tami ng medication, yung oil ba, yung oregano oil. Makatulong talaga yan, guys. As in, laking tulong yan sa amin. Kaya kapag kayo, inom na kayo ng oregano oil. Dinner's ready.
Crabby one.
Hala, oy, I'd been looking for the one with the meat. Nothing. We don't have the meat. It's gonna do in the window. That's really it, honey. Because you know what? I say look at the window over there. It's like this. You cannot do it, hon. Please avoid of have an accident. You are the person that need to take care of yourself. You have to think about that. Because iring nagakos didong dapita. Matigas talaga, guys, ulo nito. Kahit anong sasabihin mo, hindi talaga ito makinig. What time is the rain tomorrow? Huh?
Rain's supposed to start early.
What early are you talking about?
That's what they said early.
Tignan natin si Tani sa taas. Hindi makinig, sabi ko, kung maglagay ka ng lights sa loob ng window. Gusto niya sa labas. Tignan niyo. I told Dada that you don't let you come in here. Ang tigas. So, nakatatakot ako kung mahulog yan ba. God forbid. Mahulog. Oh my God. Hey, be careful.
Oh, good. I'm glad you're here.
Why?
I left the spray and tape towels downstairs.
Where is it?
I don't know.
Be careful, please. You know your balance, ha? Alam nyo, guys, takot ako dahil alam nyo naman yan. Ang daming problema. Gusto kong maghiga na lang siya doon, magpahinga, ano. Be careful.
You what?
Be careful. No, honey. Oh my goodness. Hubs has been wanting to. He want to come in here. Hubs.
Yeah.
Are you? Can you just walk on the roof?
Do what?
You can walk on the roof, and you don't know where is the wood, the beam.
Yeah. The whole roof is wood.
Oh, the whole roof is wood. Be careful. Sit down, hon. Sit down. He's been. Why you put it on the roof instead of kind of like?
Put it around there.
My God, ako yung natatakot sa asawa ko, guys. Nandito pa siya, guys. Ini-sprayhan lang daw niya yung ano. Kita niyo, itams. Nililinis pa yung window. At ito, iyak na iyak kasi gustong lumabas din. Ayaw, hindi ka pwedeng lumabas, ano? Ito, sunod ng sunod sa akin, ah. Sunod ng sunod, ha? Tingnan niyo, sunod ng sunod, ha? Who bring this paper here? Bread. Do you want some? Huh? Okay, guys, let's go. You gonna lock that for me? It's right here. You find it? What are you doing? Oy. You do it. Hold it. Give it to me. I need to text her.
I got no choice.
Let's charge it. How about you?
I plug it back in.
It's charged too?
Yeah, there's 2 USB ports back there. I don't even need this thing.
The light is on already.
Which one?
The other side only. Where? You want me to stop?
Nope.
I guess I have to stop.
Nope. Top.
Done?
Yep.
We're not gonna stay long sa bahay ni sister-in-law kasi I still have to cook. I'll put it in the oven, the lasagna. So kukunin lang namin yung dinala ni sister-in-law galing sa isang bahay. Okay guys, we are here sa bahay ni sister-in-law. She have that snowman and it's so cute. Oh yeah, they're here. Okay, they're here already. Tomorrow, it was raining. Hi guys, and let's go because we still have to cook the thing. Hala, baby, she's under here.
You make sure she's not.
The cat, guys, is outside, guys. So,
Where's my phone?
oh my God, you're just holding your phone forever, hon.
Yeah, well, until I have it in my hand, I don't know.
You know what, guys? I like when Korean talk, especially when they said "안녕하세요." When they said "안녕하세요." Ano sa iyo? Kamuti lang ito sa amin.
I don't even know what you're saying.
"안녕하세요." Kamuti lang ito sa amin. Ito lang yung ulam namin. "안녕하세요." I like it when they talk. Their voice become like a baby. Sound like a baby. Nanigarilyo na si Mister. Mag-ano tayo kasi nanigarilyo si Mister. Kopido! 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. Mister Tani. 안녕하세요. Hoy, ano yung sa iyo? Anong sa iyo ba? Naamoy nila si Biana nito, guys. You smell Granny? Where's Granny? You smell Grandma? You did? Oh, no, tignan nyo to. Oh, you miss your grandma. Oh, you smell Grandma? Yes, you did. Look. You get so excited, oy. Hello, guys. Ito yung talaga yung kinuha ko. Gusto kong suotin na damit ni Bianan. Ito siya. Gusto ko talaga to. Look. I like it. Gusto ko to. Ito talaga yung kinuha ko doon. And then, nakita ko to. Sabi ko, oh, I like it. So, buti na lang, pumayag si sister-in-law. Ito, look. And ito, sabi pa niya, binigay niya sa akin kasi shirt daw. So, it's good for me. Binigay namin ito ni Tami sa, birthday la 2019. And, yun. Malaki siya, guys. Pero alam nyo, fit siya, look. Malaki siya sa akin, pero I like it. It's bigger than me, look, honey. But I like it, honey. Calvin Klein na coat. Amoy na amoy pa ni Kaibianan. Labhan ko lang ito. Labhan ko lang siya kasi yung sabon niya is amoy Bianan talaga yung sabon na ginamit niya. He won't leave Tommy.
And already done. I put treats down.
Nothing?
No.
Dada is going to bye-bye because it's raining tomorrow. Okay? Dada will be bye-bye and we will be right back. He will leaving tomorrow and he gonna go out over there. Out and go in the other house. Dada will be right back. You see Roxy. Dada's leaving. Who did a good job today outside?
That was you, I guess.
He's so proud of himself because he added more lights outside. You know, guys, I told you that, right? He added. So I will show you what he did because now it's lit. Lalabas tayo mamaya. Ipakita ko sa inyo kasi proud na proud sa sarili si Mister. Ilagay ko lang yung carrots, guys. Kinakat ko siya and then ano dito, look. Ito na yun siya, guys. And then, ito. And ilagay natin si ito. Tubig, uy. Green onion, guys. Green onion. Han? Tignan natin kung yung ano carrots, ano ba siya? Ang sakit ng mata ko sa ano, eh. Maganda talaga siya, guys, yung ano, yung carrots, onions, scallion. I-ano mo siya sa food processor. I think okay na tong carrots kasi nabdami na. So, ngayon, lagyan natin siya ng seasoning. Oh, God, ang sakit sa mata. Whew. Yung food processor ba, ang ganda kasi, oh, maliit yung ano. So, ngayon, lagyan natin siya ng seasoning. Lagyan natin siya ng garlic. Yun. Yun. Ito, lagyan natin ito. Fresh paminta. Sarap, ang daming carrots. Masarap ito kasi ang daming carrots. And then, mix natin ulit. Ito na siya. Marinate siya overnight. Yun. Tapos na. Bukas na naman yun. Hindi pa kami kumakain kasi yung lasagna, mga almost 2 hour. Yeah, almost 2 hour yung ano niya. Cooking thing. So, mamaya pa yan. So, ngayon, itapon natin ito. May carrots pa ako dito. I'm going to show you kung ano yung ginawa ni Tami. Ang dami ng light sa labas. At saka sa bubong, sa ibabaw. Is it raining? Why you put in the back instead of the front?
Oh, it's in the front too, but it's not working there.
Nandun sa likuran. Okay, guys, punta tayo sa...
Oh shit, I just lost it.
No, you can't find it now. It's dark in there. Yun. Yung pula. Yung pula sa ibabaw. At saka naglagay pala siya dito.
City lights on the other side.
Naglagay din siya dito. Buti na lang hindi niya tinapos dito kasi marami pa dito. Pwede naman lagyan dito and then yung kurente is sa garage. It's freezing outside, eh. Did you have the tester?
Not the same.
Meron siyang ashtray dito, hindi niya nilagay. Kaloka itong asawa ko. Itong ashtray niya dito. I be loving you eternally. Bug, it's right here. Bug. Bug. Da. I guess I have to wash this now. Nagkuha niya. That's a good thing about him, you know. He's really good catcher. He's hunter, guys. He hunt everything in this house. Like every time he see fly, he hunt it. Yes, I'm sorry. I took it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Baba.
All right, let's see if she could take this out without burning herself. It'll be a first.
Now, what I find really, really strange about this
Ouch!
is this. That everyone can see that it's wrong.
Late dinner is ready.
Does a thing to stop it.
Dinner's late because of Tommy.
Full of people,
It was me.
administrators,
Who made plans to go?
Yeah, si Tommy naghanap ng timer kasi yung light sa taas sa second floor, ito kasi dito sa baba, mamatay siya mga 10 o'clock ng gabi. And then yung sa taas, walang timer. So ngayon, naghanap siya ng timer. So I think, andun siya sa basement siya naghanap ngayon. Anyway guys, I'm going to end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. No, I know you got only 2 for outside.
No, the long black power strips would come over the other house and the rest over here.
It's not, look, in the stairs, in the second floor, I carry something. I see some, you know, a plug thing, a black or blue, light blue, whatever is that. But anyway, bye guys. See you tomorrow. Hindi pa natapos si Tami. Naghanap pa rin guys. Iwan ko kailan siya matatapos. Anyway, I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Good night.